Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate exam, practice exam question of the day. Oh man, tongue tied. Uh, but we won't get tongue tied right here when we're talking about commissions. And this is a little more of a difficult question. So let me read this out for you. Hey, if you have pen and paper, you want to follow along with me, feel free to do so. Again, this is best viewed on a computer screen. So let's get into it. Here's the question. A listing agreement provided for a commission to the broker of 6% of the first $30,000 and 3% of anything above $30,000. The commission the broker received was $2,070. What did the property sell for? So before we tackle any math question, what we really want to figure out is how are we going to get to the end result? And this right here is a part over the base times the rate problem. I've gone over that in a couple of other videos, but this is a part over the base multiplied by the rate. So what do we know? The next thing that we have to do is identify what it is we're looking for, what we know, and what we don't know. Okay? We want to solve for the base. Okay? So the base, and remember when I used to draw my pie? Okay? That's the whole of the pie. Okay? That's the whole enchilada. So right now, what we're trying to figure out is, do we have the part and do we have the rate? Well, that's a complicated question to answer right now because we do have the part. The entire part is 2070, but the rate is broken down into two things. So we don't know how we're going to solve for that because you're going to be confused. You're like, okay, so how do I do this? So what you need to do is separate some things in regards to what you know. So watch how we're going to tackle this because again, we've identified the formula that we need to use, what we're trying to solve for, but we're going to have to do some addition and some subtraction to get there. So here's what we're going to do. Boop, 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 boop. We're going to utilize what we know as constants. And what we do know from what we've been given in this problem is that on the first 30,000, we're getting 6%. So we know that if we multiply those two numbers together, we got 1,800. So that we know because here's the thing. This is a simple, again, part over the base times the rate, okay? This is a simple base and rate problem, okay? Because what you do is you just multiply those two together and you get the part, okay? Now, what happens is this, and we know that that's representative of the first 30,000. So first 30,000 we know the sales price is above 30,000, and also if you looked at the questions, the answers, you would see also that all the answers are above 30,000. So the first 30,000 is out of the way because we know that 1,800. So let's isolate that. Well, let's isolate the unknown. So we're going to take the gross commission and we're going to subtract what we already know is $30,000. You're representative of 30,000, and that leads us with $270. Okay, of what we don't know. So here's the thing: in a part over the base times the rate problem, here's what we don't know. We know every bit of this portion of it. Okay, we know what 30,000 accounts for, but we don't know the base that we're calculating off of the 270. We do know the rate though. So watch this. We're going to take the 270, which is the part of the unknown, and what we're going to do is divide that by the rate, which is known, that's a 3% rate, and we're going to get $9,000. Then what we do is add the 9,000 unknown to the whole part that we do know, which is 30,000, and it's going to give us $39,000. Okay, so watch this. Let's go back up here and see how we did this. Okay, remember when we started, we said, hey, I want to solve for a part over the base times the rate. And I said this is a little more complicated than a traditional one. So here we go. A was the answer we were looking for all along. And what we did was we took what we knew, 6% of the first 30,000, and we subtracted that from this to isolate what we didn't know at the 3% above the rest of it. And then we just added this new number that we got, this new piece of information, to our known, and we got $39,000 as the answer. Guys, I hope that helped you out. Have any questions about how I came to that or anything below, let me know. If not, have a great one.